Acerola Cherry Health Benefits. 9 health benefits you didn't know. While doing the groceries, you probably thought about which fruit give more health benefits than the others. It would be nice to eat something that will keep our skin and brain young. And there's a fruit for those. The Acerola cherry, a tropical fruit native to South America, was discovered to have potent health benefits thanks to its antioxidants. In recent years, the fruit's popularity grew, and places far away from its native land like Texas have started to grow Acerola cherries. The cherry is also one of the newest members of the superfood list, and here are 9 reasons why. Number 1. Healthy heart. Acerola cherries are known for their potassium content, much like the mighty banana, and potassium is an important electrolyte, an element that helps with nerve and muscle function. Remember that the heart is a muscle that's continuously controlled by the brain, which is why electrolytes are essential. Aside from that benefit, potassium also acts as a vasodilator, meaning it helps to relax the blood vessels, reducing blood pressure. This is very important so that cardiovascular problems, including heart attack and stroke, may be prevented. To top it all up, acerola is good for the heart because it helps with lowering down cholesterol levels in the bloodstream, ensuring a healthy flow of blood throughout the body. Number 2. Improves digestion. Aside from the heart, the stomach is also a pretty busy place, and digestion of food is made possible with the acids it produces. One of those acids is pepsin. Pepsin helps with digesting protein by breaking it down into simpler acids. When pepsin becomes too low and the acids get imbalanced, indigestion can occur. Indigestion can be painful, not to mention it raises digestive health risks. Many factors can cause indigestion too, such as our diet, mood, or prescription medications. But luckily, there's a fruit that helps the stomach produce pepsin. Acerola ensures smooth motility of the digestive system, thus preventing stomach aches and nausea caused by indigestion. Number 3. Strengthens your oral health. Like the stomach, the mouth plays an important role in the digestion process. The acerola cherry is helpful with keeping our teeth and gums healthy. Who wouldn't want strong and good-looking teeth? Not only that, but the soft tissue in our mouths also benefits from acerola cherries. Keep in mind that the mouth is home to countless microbes, both the beneficial and harmful kinds, and infections such as gingivitis develops when microbial growth gets out of control. Gingivitis can ultimately lead to loss of teeth, so maintaining oral health is an effective way of preserving our teeth. Thankfully, acerola cherries ace this one. Number 4. Young-looking skin. Acerola cherries help the body produce collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body, responsible for building connective tissues such as the one in our muscles, ligaments, and skin. In other words, this is the protein responsible for keeping the skin elastic and wrinkle-free. The antioxidants in the fruit also protect skin cells from damage, preventing premature aging. Plus, the cherries keep our bodies hydrated with their water and electrolyte content. The flavonoids and carotenoids in the fruit also promote cell regeneration, which is really what the skin needs for an even tone. With acerola cherries, you get to have healthy teeth and skin, something everybody wants. If you'd love to hear more tips on maintaining your health, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for notifications of new videos. Number 5. Vitamin C capacity. Acerola cherry is hailed as the vitamin C king, as a single fruit already contains all the vitamin C that we need for the day. The fruit also has B vitamins such as vitamins B2, B3, B5, and B9, which are usually sourced from animal products. B vitamins and vitamin C need to be replenished more often than other micronutrients. They're also needed for proper nerve and brain function, mood regulation, and energy release from the food we eat. Some vitamin C supplements nowadays are sourced from acerola due to the fruit's high concentration of vitamin C, even higher than that of rosehip. Number 6. They give you an immunity boost. One of the benefits of vitamin C is its role in the production of T cells. What are T cells? T cells are one of the many types of white blood cells that function like soldiers in the body. They target infected and mutated cells both directly and indirectly, thus playing an essential role in the prevention of infections and cancers, as well as the activation of the immune response. Cells that were destroyed by T cells will go on to be recycled into new proteins, which can be reused by the body to form new, normal cells. That said, maintaining the health and number of our body's T cells is crucial to building the body's natural defense against illnesses. Number 7. They help with cancer prevention. When you have a daily supply of vitamin C and a well-built immune system along with regular screenings, your worries about getting cancer should diminish. Cancer develops from mutated cells, and since Acerola cherry strengthens immunity, there will always be white blood cells that are on the lookout for mutated cells. The antioxidant from plant-derived foods such as acerola also prevents cell mutation from happening by protecting the DNA in our cells from free radical damage. One study suggested that the antioxidants in acerola cherries played a role in slowing down the growth of a lung cancer cell. Who knew these small red fruits can be that powerful? Number 8. Cataract prevention. You may not be too concerned about it when you're young, but you could lose your ability to see in your old age. Cataracts and macular degeneration may develop when your eyes age, especially when there are not enough antioxidants to protect cells from aging rapidly. The beta-carotene, beta-cryptoxanthin, and lutein in acerola are known to be beneficial to eye health. They also belong to the family of antioxidants, so they're pretty handy with preventing degenerative conditions such as cataracts, loss of vision, or night blindness. Maintaining the health of the eyes is important because no one wants to lose one sense, especially the one for perceiving the colors around us. Lastly, the cherries are useful for burning fat, the one thing most of us want. There is one medical keyword in the world of weight loss, and that is metabolism. A large portion of us struggle with maintaining blood sugar levels, and abdominal fat is one of the contributors. Luckily, the polyphenols in acerola can help stabilize sugar levels. The fruit also has fiber, which should be one of your weight loss basic needs. In addition, the goal is to help your body switch from sugar burning to fat burning so you can shed belly fat faster. One of the most common chronic conditions is obesity. Thankfully, modern medicine has studied the condition extensively, and we have many options for us to rise above it. To bring your weight down to the normal range, it is recommended to watch your calorie intake while getting a variety of vitamins and minerals every day. Fruits like acerola fit perfectly in this regard because small portions of them offer so many nutrients with just very low calories. This is one of the reasons why supplement manufacturers are turning to acerola cherries as their source. One product called the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic includes acerola as one of its natural, plant-derived ingredients for rapid weight loss. The recipe was based on an ancient Japanese herbal tonic that was designed to make body fat burn faster. A 45-year-old mother of 3 by the name of Susan Atley drank it every morning, and she was surprised with the effects. She used to think she'll never lose weight because dieting isn't practical for her, and that her knee pain caused by her being overweight as well as a recent heart attack prevented her from hitting the gym. Her doctor urged her to start losing weight, and that was when Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic was recommended to her. After 7 weeks of continued use, Susan lost 54 pounds. To know more about how the tonic works and what Susan looks like now, check the description box below and click the link to Susan's true story. To wrap the video up, those were the 9 surprising benefits of acerola cherries. What are other exotic superfruits you have tasted and deserve a video of their own? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching.